Gentlemen, this is it.
Ayan na. Can I have the envelope, please? Let's start off with Mutyanang Sining 2008. And to present the award,
To present the award for Mutyanang Sining 2008 is the Honorable Gamaliel San Pedro, Councilor District Number 1, and Ms. Marie Grace Briones, Mutyanang Sining 2007.
Bayan ng Taguig, sino sa tingin niyo ang Mutyanang Sining 2008? Ha? At ang Mutyanang Sining 2008 ay walang iba kundi... Ay, maraming salamat nga ho pala ulit sa pag-imbita niyo sa akin dito, no? At ang Mutyanang Sining 2008 ay walang iba kundi ang candidate number 2, Miss Carmina Rupera from Barangay Bagong Bayan.
Congratulations, Ms. Carmina Rupera, Mutyanang Sining 2008 from Barangay Bagong Bayan. And thank you, presenters.
At ang next award, presenting the award for Mutyanang Kalinangan are Honorable Ricardo Jordan, Councilor District 2, and Miss Mary Ann Therese Esteban, Mutyanang Kalinangan 2007.
And our Mutyanang Kalinangan 2008. Anong number yon? Ano daw?
Lahat talaga nakatingin lang doon, no? Anong number?
Our Mutyanang Kalinangan 2008 is candidate number 8, Sarah Jane Valle from Barangay Lower Bikutan. Congratulations, candidate number 8, Ms. Sarah Jane Valle from Barangay Lower Bikutan, and thank you, presenters.
To present the award for Mutyanang Lahi 2008, may call in Honorable Bal Mariatege, Councilor District 1, and Miss Maria Felicitas Granada, Mutyanang Lahi 2007. And the winner for Mutyanang Lahi 2008 is candidate number 18, Miss Sherilyn Albior from Western Bikutan. Nako, dalawa na lang sila. Aha. To present the award for Mutya ng Turismo. Pero bago yan, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating Mutya ng Lahi. Si candidate number 18.
Miss Cherilyn Alvior from Barangay Western Bikutan.
And thank you to our presenter.
Before we announce the two winners, may we request Justice Dante O. Tinga,
Supreme Court of the Philippines, Miss Griselda Lontoc, Miss Marivic Canilla,
Mutya ng Turismo 2007, and British Ambassador, the Honorable Peter Beckingham.
to announce, to present the winner for Mutya ng Turismo 2008.
And
Tawagin na rin natin yung magpapresent ng award para
the
sa
Mutya ng
Mutya ng
Taguig.
Taguig 2008.
do the honor.
Ay, ako na talaga to. Honorable Mayor Freddy Tinga and Mrs. Kay Tinga, together with Miss Diana Charis Grace Aquino, Mutya ng Taguig 2007. Hala. And the winner. So, unahin natin yung, wala pa pala. Ay, si Mayor. Si Miss Kay, payat na ulit, oh. Tawagin natin yung dalawang girls to please step forward, to stay in the center. Yan. Eto na, the moment of truth.
Kompleto na mga ating mga
Kompleto
presenters.
na, handa na silang lahat. Mutya ng Turismo 2008 is candidate. Yung hindi ko tatawagin, automatic, siya po yung Mutya ng Taguig. Diba? At ang Mutya ng Turismo 2008 is none other than... Maraming salamat po ulit. Sana next year, imbitahan niyo
Thank
po
you
ako
very
dito.
much po. Bye-bye na
Thank
sa
you
inyo.
so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. At ang Mutya ng Turismo 2008 is Candidate number 16, Marian Bautista Ususan.
And Mutya ng Taguig for 2008
is candidate number 12, Miss Tal Galiate
from Barangay Signal
Village. Congratulations to all the winners. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sa lahat ng sponsors, kay Mayor, kay Mrs. K, to all the judges. Jack, don't forget my gift certificate to your spa.
And to all the dancers, the entertainers, the people that put together the whole show, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Sa inyo pong lahat, maraming salamat. Ako po si Wilma Dasen.
Ako po si Ding Mercado na nagpapaalam sa inyo. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.
At mabuhay ang Taguig!
See you all
next
year for Mutya ng Taguig 2009.
Maraming salamat sa mga judges, councilors, barangay captains, tanod, sa inyo pong lahat. Presenters, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.